In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to disable saved messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the conversations page. Once you're over here, open conversation with the person whose chat settings you want to change. Now click on the username. Once you're on the profile page of that person, click on three dots. Now head over to the option chat and notification settings. Now you're going to find a different option. Click on this option, delete chats. Now multiple options will appear. Click on the option after viewing. Once you have done that, messages in the chat will automatically be deleted after they have been viewed instead of being kept for 24 hours. Keep in mind that this setting applies to the specific conversations you are editing, so you will need to repeat these steps for other chats if needed. And that's it. This is how you can easily disable the saved messages for setting on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.